channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Gentle Coder and I teach coding in the simplest and clearest way possible. And if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Alright, so today we are starting with something every beginner must learn in HTML, which is forms. So forms are the art of users interaction on the web. So it is one of the most important parts of web page. So what are forms? Anytime you type your name, your email, your password, picture, or any other thing, or you fill a contact form or register for something on a website, that's a form. So learning forms properly will make you feel like, now I am building something real. So the basic structure of a form. Every form begins with the tag forms. So and ends with this closing tag, which is form. So you think of the form tag like a container that holds everything the user will input there. So all your inputs go here. Now let's fill this form with real things so you see it. So the label is like a small title where the user a small title that tells the user what to type. Let's check here. So this is it. So the input is where the user actually type what they want to input. So this type text means the box accepts normal words like ABC, like that, normal words. That's the type. So this placeholder is a clue like int for the user. Enter your name. Let us check here. So once you see something like this, you know you have to enter your name. So let's add an email input. So the type will be email, and let's put the placeholder as enter your email. So it shows here. Let's add a line break here. So the email is special because HTML will warn the user if they type something that is not a real email. This is why forms are powerful. So let's add a text area for the message. So this text area is for long messages like feedback or complaints. It gives more space compared to normal inputs. So here you can type any message you want to type here. So now let's move to the button. So the button is what sends the form data, like all what you inputted into the form. We'll get into the real processing later, but for now let's understand the structure. So the type will be equals to submit. Then your text comes here. Sorry, put it here. Submit. So let's enter. So submit. So that's the button for submit. We'll talk about the backend later. So let's go into other parts. So there are different attributes you can give an input, and there are different type. Like a type of an input may be number. Probably you want only number, maybe time, date, maybe checkboxes. I'll explain everything right now. So as discussed earlier, we have different type of inputs. So this input, let us put it as tel. So this will be for telephone. So you'll be able to input only phone number there. So right now, let us check for others. Input type number. Also that same. So let us check input type radio. That's, you see it. So this is the input for radio here. So there is input for password also. Let's check it here. This is the one for password. Do you see it? It changes immediately. So I already explained a lot of types of inputs here. So there is the type for tele and number. I explained that earlier, and radio also. So this type is for password. Once you input your password here, password, so it changes. Then this is for date actually. So let's try it out. So setting date. Can you see? So this is checkbox. So the type name is checkbox for confirming something. This is it here. So it's just the type that change it. So let us try for inputting files. File. So it will ask you to choose a file. Choose it, the name would appear. Yeah, the name of the file you choose. So another one is for submitting. So this is similar to the button on. So similar to the button, to the submit button on. Once you input anything here, check it, and so once you click the submit, it submits everything. Though I'll explain the backend later, probably during backend class. So here is another powerful input. This is for resetting. This is for resetting all the inputs, all what you have inputted in the form. This is for resetting everything. So once you click on reset, it resets everything. So in our next tutorial, I would explain how to create a standard form, and I'll create a standard form in case you want to learn from it. So if you enjoyed this video and you want more simple coding tutorial like this, please like the video, drop a comment. What's the type of input you love the most? Drop a comment and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. So up next, we'll talk about tables after creating a standard form. And table is another important structure for every beginner. So I'm Gentle Coder, and I'll see you in the next video. For now.